What is up, you guys? Good morning. We're back at the transmission shop to pick up the old core C63 AMG transmission. And the reason I say core, it's not rebuildable, unfortunately. Well, it's functionally not rebuildable and financially not rebuildable. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on with the transmission, hopefully right over here, and then I'll give you guys the parts breakdown list and how big of a headache it's gonna be to do it. So let's get in there.
All right, so here's our C63 AMG transmission. Well, the torque converter, or the MCT clutch, or whatever it is, this one is probably fine, but it's hard to tell because you would have to cut it open. Like, that seal has to be cut and get a seat inside. So we got everything kind of disassembled, and well, there's the guts of the transmission. So what failed? Well, a lot of stuff. So as you guys can see, that gear right there is completely shredded. So that's why the car still ran. It still drove because, as you can see, the gears still work, but something, yeah, it's not supposed to look like that. So basically, a whole bunch of stuff just basically decided to self-delete, and yeah. So this is no good, and ooh, this shaft, yeah, this shaft. Ooh, look at that metal. Look at that metal. There you go. Look at all that metal shavings. Yeah, so this part's magnetic. It's actually supposed to catch all the material and then apparently send it into the pan. But yeah, we got a lot of damaged stuff in here. What do we got in here? Let's see. Well, actually, this one seems to be in good shape. I don't know about all that though. Teeth over here are good. Let's see, that's a lot of clutches, guys. This is what happens when you have a multi-clutch transmission. Ooh, look at the teeth on that. Yeah, that's still fine, but I don't know. Ooh, that looks like some oil. Yeah, like some of the components are still okay, but that's a lot of clutches. Holy. Yeah, this one's still fine. Ooh, let's kind of pick apart. Yeah, these clutches are all black. They all burnt. Like, some of the clutches look fine, but some of them, they're really, you can see that's, oh, yeah, they're very black. So yeah, what else can we find that's damaged to show you guys? Yeah, those teeth inside there, look at that. That don't look good. These look fine. And yeah, that's no bueno. What's this big shaft? Oh, camera. Oh, there we go. It's back. It looks okay, this shaft. But anyways, there is just too much damage over here on this thing. So to be honest with you guys, so you see all these part numbers like 221, what is that, 720066? Yeah, the thing is that all of these parts, they would just either take too long to get individually to rebuild, or it just doesn't make sense to get them to rebuild all of this. It just won't make any sense. So unfortunately, this transmission is in fact a core with all these parts in it. Somebody could probably rebuild this, but that won't be me. So let's go order a replacement transmission for the C63 AMG. Fun. But before we order a new transmission, let me show you guys the cost of the potential parts that we might have needed if we were to rebuild that transmission. So yeah, this is the stuff that we know about, and yeah, that's kind of a lot. $3,900. Well, pretty much $4,000 plus tax plus labor. So we might be able to find these parts cheaper, but the thing is, like, who knows? Literally, who knows if you can find all these parts and how long it's gonna take, and if you can even get them, and if this is all the parts that we'll need. Like, I don't know. It's such a big gamble to try to rebuild it at this point. We were able to rebuild it 3 times already, but the fourth time, this time, no bueno. Unfortunately, it just doesn't functionally and mathematically make sense to rebuild it. So let's order ourselves a new transmission. Let's do it. Okay, and just like that, we have ordered a transmission from a 507 edition C63 AMG with the torque converter. And now that's it. We just wait for it to arrive, and I'll see you guys in the next video about the C63 when this arrives. Hopefully this doesn't take too long, maybe 7 days. So yeah, see you guys in 7 days. Peace.